Our water is too precious to waste, and fixing leaks is one of the simplest ways you can help to save our most valuable resource. First, keep an eye on your water meter. If your water meter is ticking over when no one's using water, you may have a leak. Any sudden increase in water use on your bill may also indicate a leak. You can check for leaks in and around the home using your eyes and ears. A few key things to check inside your home are toilets, showers and sinks, kitchen sinks and pipes, and hose connections on your dishwasher or washing machine. Leaks can also happen outside of your home. Key areas to look out for leaks are your water meter, hot water systems, taps and hose connections, irrigation systems, and pools. If you do find a leak, you may be able to do some small fixes yourself, but in most cases, you'll need to call in an expert. Your actions can make a real difference as small leaks not only waste water, but they can lead to bigger problems.